Hello everyone. So I'm back with a new concept. How do we dispose the broken needles? Let's see what happens when the needle breaks. There is a procedure implemented in every industry. Every factories in the garment industry. The needles are taken whether with all the parts or with the missing parts, pasted in the logbook, and this is how the logbook looks like. What do we do with these logbooks? Wow, I was asked this question by one of the auditor in 2012 and I was taken for aback because frankly speaking that time all these logbooks was dumped into one room, maybe 10 years, 12 years, and this could be the scenario in many factories. Though people say there are different ways of disposal. Somebody says, okay, just throw these needles once the retention period is over, which could be 2 years, which could be 5 years. Somebody says, okay, we sell it back to the scrap dealers, and few factories they say, okay, we dig the pit and dump it into the pit. Way back in 2012, we came up with a different way, and that's what I'm going to discuss today. What we did, we just kept the logbook for the retention period, but removed the needles after 1 year. All the needle fragments we removed from the logbook and collected into one box. Then we created a pit of cement. You can see this, there's a brick and we just put a plastic and we just fill that halfway with the cement. After that, all the fragments which we taken out, we poured into this pit. So you can say the base is cement and on top of it, we have kept the needle fragments. It's very clear in the picture. And if you can see the side part, the side is free and we filled up with the cement. So what happened is that we just created the cement pit. This cement pit, the base is cement, the side is cement, in between is a needle, and top is this thing. We can call it as a grave, needles grave, because these are all broken needles. We can call it as a cement cake having the needles inside. Once one of the European brand, the complaints had asked me, like, why do we do this? Yeah, well, I'll come to that answer. So we just painted it. These are broken needles. You can see the period to have the traceability, January to June. Like looks like a cement pit, but this particular pit had 82,000 82,700 needles in it. 82,700 needles, which was 6 months this thing for the entire factory. The reason we did it in the round because we wanted to spread this idea. But we can make it in square, we can make it in rectangle, we can use it for having the slab, we can use it for drainage slab or maybe for n number of reasons. The procedure is simple. Again, you can see in the pictures from 1 to 7. We have taken the needles, made the cement pit, put the cement as a base, the side was clear, we poured the needle, covered it. The reason, if we just throw, we are playing with the health and safety of the people. If we sell, maybe it's not good for environment. This particular process is very environment friendly. We are not digging the pit, so we are not harming the mother earth. A very innovative approach. I hope this will help a lot of factories to understand a different way to dispose of the broken needle. Thank you very much. Please visit my social media to know more, learn more. Thank you.